Hello students, I hope your audit paper went well. Now let's talk about how to approach EIS and SM in last 1.5 days. First of all, refer the PDF which I've attached along with this video. These are important topics for EIS chapter wise and strategic management chapter wise. What you should do is start with strategic management today and मैं ये बोलेगा try to even cover the major part of strategic management today. Do one thing, take chapter 1 of SM. In chapter 1, as per my important points, let's say there are 5 or 6 questions which can be asked, finish quickly those 5-6. मतलब quickly important जो 70-80% portion of the strategic management है, that you try to finish today itself before you try to sleep. Let's say you want to sleep early today because you might be a little tired. Do one thing, try to finish at least chapter 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tomorrow morning, get up early, start with chapter 2, 7 and 8. The objective should be simple, that the most important part of strategic management, that is 80% of your core strategic management, should be done by tomorrow morning breakfast. Now once your breakfast part is over, after that start with EIS. In EIS, start same way, chapter 1, 2, 4. Try to target chapter 1 to 4 till your evening time, let's say by 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening. After that, let's say once your dinner is done, you jump to chapter number 3 and chapter number 5. In chapter 3, don't try to muddle up with everything. Just focus on controls वाला part, focus core DBMS वाला parts. ठीक है, मे बी डेटा वेयरहाउसिंग कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम क्या होता है, थोड़ा कोर पार्ट जिसका मैंने एक लिस्ट बना के आपको दी है उस पर फोकस करो. एंड देन गो टू चैप्टर 5. इन दैट फोकस ऑन कोर बैंकिंग सोल्यूशन, योर स्टेप्स टू इंप्लीमेंट अ कोर बैंकिंग सोल्यूशन, एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सीबीएस, रिस्क एंड कंट्रोल्स इन सीबीएस, देन द मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग वाला पार्ट. मतलब ट्राई टू टारगेट दैट टुमारो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू स्लीप at least 80 to 85% of your strategic management and EIS is done. Why am I saying this to you? Because on the day of exam, it is equally important to revise once again the important topics in strategic management, because in SM there is a very high chance of scoring good marks. The only thing is remembering the headings and specific language. So if you revise SM ka core parts on the day of exam once again, I'm sure your MCQ as well as the remaining 35 mark paper of strategic management will actually do really well. So focus on these things. If you already have a decent strategy in place, it's absolutely fine. You can stick to that. These are the just important topics. Please remember, सिर्फ Q&A module से कुछ नहीं होगा. Go through the actual modules. I'm trying to tell it to you. That is going to actually help you. That's it, guys. I'm sure you guys will do great. All the best, everyone. Bye bye. See you all.